Hey, yes, good evening, YouTube. So I'm trying to clean up my media library a little bit to make it work better with Kodi and Windows Media Center. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned how I have a video folder on my media server under which I put all my video content. Part of that content is movies. In this case, I have a bunch of Monty Python movies. This one I'm not quite sure on if this is a movie or a TV documentary. This one, Almost the Truth, the Lawyer's Cut, it was like a 6-part documentary, and I had put that under my movies / Monty Python folder. Media Center tried to figure out if this was a movie and couldn't figure it out, and then tried to make all 9 of these things as separate movie files, and so it was kind of a mess. But what I have over here on this folder is I have my TV series, and I have a Monty Python folder under there. With Kodi, it wants movies under the movies folder, and it wants TV series under the TV series folder. So what I really need to do is I got to move this from movies over to TV series. So I'll do that. And then what I need to do is figure out how to name this so that it gets recognized. So let me check on the TVDB real quick. Okay, so here's the TVDB page for Monty Python, Almost the Truth, the Lawyer's Cut. Might have to play with the spelling on this one in order to get Kodi to recognize it. It has a special. Now I have 3 extras, so I'll have to see what those are. Extended interviews, outtakes, and the sketch. So we have extended interviews, outtakes, and the sketch. So I'll have to get the episode numbers matching these. So those will be Season 0, Episode 2, 3, and 4. So you can see you've got to kind of piece together the files you have in the right format so that Kodi can pick these up. For instance, this name here, there's no season or episode information, so they'll completely ignore that. Yeah, I'll get back to you and we'll see what actually works here for a name and go from there. Okay, so I went and added Monty Python in front of that folder name. So it's Monty Python, Almost the Truth, the Lawyer's Cut. I left out the colon because Windows didn't like that, and also left out the parentheses. And we'll see if that works here. So let's go swing up to Kodi and see what it says here. So let's see, we have my Monty Python folder, and I'll go down. Now it's picked up that new folder. So we'll go here, I'll hit the context menu, ask for TV show information, and right there, see, now it's picked up the colon and all the file naming off of the TVDB. So let's say OK, and there we go, it's loading details. Let's browse. And I also changed the extras, so now I have I guess there's no detail on the specials, but it's got episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that's good. It picks up these specials, it just doesn't have any information on them, I guess. So yeah, there we go, that's how to add another one. So this one, I had this TV documentary series located in a movies folder, and Kodi was just ignoring it because they said, well, these aren't movies, so I don't know what they are. By moving them over to a TV folder and then naming the folder the right thing, you can see here I've got Monty Python, Almost the Truth, the Lawyer's Cut. Yet in the TVDB, it's Monty Python colon almost the truth, parenthesis, the lawyer's cut, and then close parenthesis and apostrophe S. So I just needed to get all the words in there, Monty Python, almost the truth, the lawyer's cut, and then I got the extras that I had, and you can see, in fact, right here, there's no information. There's the episode title, and that's why there's no information for that special episode, because there's nothing there to fetch. So it does pick up that it's a special episode, but that's about it. Let's see if I go to Monty Python. Now this one shows up. You can see they don't do anything special with the folders. One wasn't showing up because I had it miscategorized. I had it as a movie when it's actually a TV show, and then I had to correct the name of the TV show, and then I had to correct or add the special season 0 and episode numbers for the extras to get them to show up. Trying to give you some examples of the kind of issues you run into and kind of how you work through fixing them. I like to do it this way because now this folder will scan automatically. I don't have to override anything. I don't have to type anything. Everything's automatic, and now also I got Media Center to pick up this folder with 9 extra files in it that wasn't scanning before. With Media Center, I never knew what was going on. They never showed up, and I never thought about it. Kodi at least documents how they handle that, and that's the one key is TV shows have to go under a TV shows folder. Movies go under a movies folder, and you can't mix and match. You've got to have things separated. Anyway, you could check out some of my other Kodi and Media Center and Raspberry Pi videos. I'll put a link to that playlist here in the video. Any questions or comments, you can leave that down below or on the Google Plus page. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for updates. Rate, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.